Look, boys, looking more attractive or looking better, it's not something you're just gonna watch this video and instantly be that the next day. This is something you need to work on daily. In other words, it's a step-by-step process, whereas the more consistent you are, similar to going to the gym, the better and better looking you're gonna become. Today, boys, I'm gonna give you those habits you wanna implement daily so you can work on your appearance. Let's hop into this. Number one, I want you to cultivate approachability. You should be at all times super self-conscious and self-aware of your own body language and your facial expression. See, most of us end up falling into what girls like to call your RBF, your resting face, right? In other words, you just look angry, bro. Like, you look like you don't want to talk to anybody. Your body's closed off, your facial expressions and your muscles are tight. See, if you're constantly self-aware, anytime you're in a social setting, you're going to be making sure that your facial muscles are relaxed. You're always smiling. Your body is open and it's pointed or directed to whoever you have interest in. Doing this at all times just makes you more attractive. Number two, have a skincare routine. See, when it comes to men, basic hygiene, like just showering, this is a no-brainer. This is what you need to do. But if you want to take it a step further, it's having flawless skin. It's actually having the habit where every single day you're working on your skin. You're washing it. You're exfoliating. More importantly, you're adding your moisturizer. You're adding your sunscreen. This is one of those things, those differentiators, where once you start implementing, first of all, your skin, it's gonna look flawless. Second of all, you're gonna leave every other dude in the dust because most dudes aren't doing this on a daily basis. And if you really wanna take it a step further, make sure that the products you're using work for you. See, don't just use whatever product I'm telling you to use. Use a product that's made for whatever skin type you have and skin problems you have. This is why I love our sponsor, Geology. See, when men don't know what to buy because it can get complicated, Geology actually makes it simple where they give you a custom system for your skin type. So whatever your skin type is and your skin problems are, they're gonna give you the products that you need that are gonna tackle your skin appropriately versus just giving you some sort of cookie cutter system that is supposed to work for everybody. That's impossible because our skin types are so different. See, with Geology, it's simple. You click the link down below, go check out their website, and then you're gonna have a consultation with one of their skin professionals that's gonna take a look at your skin. What are your problems? What are you dealing with? What results do you want? Then they're gonna build the system for you that comes with your face wash, moisturizer, and night serum, and that's gonna be shipped to you at a regular basis, so you don't have to be going to the store testing these products out, and now it gets delivered every time you need it, so you can keep up with that daily habit and make your face look better. Like, here's the best part though. If you guys click the link down below right now, for your first month, it's gonna be an absolute steal. They're doing a 70% off discount, meaning that if you've been wanting to take control of your skin again and the products that you use suck or maybe they're not effective, give Geology a shot. Yo, 70% off. It's basically a steal for your first month. Check it out. Click the link down below. I don't know how long the code will last, but I'm telling you, it's gonna make you look better. Number three, I want you to be complimentary. If you cannot come up with a genuine compliment for every person you meet, even randomly, every day, there's probably something wrong with you. Maybe you're a little self-conscious, or maybe you just don't see the good in people, but you should make it a goal where every day that you step out, it doesn't matter if it's a random stranger at a gas station or your own coworker or your own friend, it doesn't matter who it is, you should make it a goal that every day you give at least one genuine compliment to somebody. That instantly just makes you more likable, you'll feel better, and they'll feel better about themselves. Number four, I'm gonna need you to perfect your sleep. So I have a sleep tracker that I wear at all times. I'm actually wearing it right now. I've been wearing it for about 4 months, and what I love most about it, it has a bunch of other data points, which is interesting, but the sleeping coach, or seeing how I sleep every night, how many times I wake up, what percentage of my sleep was actually in deep sleep, how consistent is my sleep, has been a game changer. See, now I'm like hyper focused on my sleep to make sure that the next day I am fully recovered, and it's been a game changer for my mood, for my motivation, for my energy, which overall will be a game changer to make sure you look better. Focusing on your sleep is one of those aspects most men aren't working on daily. Which takes us to number 5. you gotta focus on your fitness. When you're trying to look better and healthier, your clothes is gonna fit better. You're gonna have more energy. Yo, you're gonna look good naked. That means no more lights off type of sex. You're just gonna look good at every point of the day. And the more you work on it, the more consistent you are on it every single day, the better you're gonna look. Bro, shopping for clothes, anything you throw on, even if it's a simple t-shirt, you're gonna look attractive. Ultimately, takes us to number 6, move with confidence. Now this is both while you walk, while you talk, even when you sit down, I want you to move with confidence. And one of the best things to do when moving with confidence is, one, you need to have your posture straight, right? I don't want you to look down. I don't want you to be avoiding eye contact. But number 2, I want you to claim space. So it doesn't matter how much space you're taking as you walk. I don't want you to make yourself small. When you sit down, I want you to spread your legs a little bit. Claim some of that personal space. See, the more space you take, the more confident, important, and dominant you're gonna end up looking. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Geology. They're gonna be linked down below as well. That's it for your boy. See you next time.